Hey, it's another wet monsoon day. What better thing to do than try and find something to do that's going to get you absolutely soaked anyway. We are heading to Shanti Waterfall in Tambdi Surla. Guys, it's not an easy one. I'd say this is kind of a medium trek. Undergrowth, quite steep in places. And it's about 4 kilometres there and 4 kilometres back. So it's you need some level of fitness. Sensible shoes, guys. And another great tip is just carry a little bit of salt just for removing the leeches after the walk. Enjoy the video. Things to do in monsoon, guys. We're about to go to
Waterfall.
What waterfall? What's it called?
Shanti Waterfall. Shanti Waterfall.
Shanti Waterfall with Deepak here.
Thank God we got him because we haven't done it.